Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm looking at the Residences La Colombe. That's the main building itself right over there. And we explored amenities there. But also this is a hotel and a restaurant and private bar that's next door. This is the outside area. Isn't this just super fun? It's right here on the street like this. Really, really fun. So you've got just all these little areas and it's kind of shaded. It's really cool. Look at the art that's here. This is amazing. So we've got art here and things like this. You've even got like little nook back here where you can kind of walk and you can see some art over here. This is really cool. After we do this too, we're gonna go, I want you to just take a peek inside that restaurant and bar. Can't wait for you to see that. We'll do that right away after this. But just what a super cool area. And you can eat here. So because the restaurant is open, a breakfast restaurant, and the restaurant, it's actually open all day. It's a great kind of private bar. And so even though it's available for the public, you'll see definitely, people that are from here, of course, because it's so convenient. Let's go inside that restaurant, take a peek at it right now.